Okay, here's the fan. I have it on. Let's see. And it's very easy to operate. It's got a nice little digital display there. And this is the water reservoir, and this is the water tray to catch the water that drips. And let's see. Okay, that's high speed, and it's blowing quite cool. Now, I did put water in there. I put bottled water in there. It's a 500 milliliter water tank, and that's just right. It's a pint, yeah. A little over a pint, whatever those are. 1.5 pints of water, and it is blowing cool. Can't feel it. I'm putting my hand up there like you can feel it. This is your water light, water tank indicator light. Let you know, or gauge there. Let you know when you need to put water in. Very easy to put the water in. Very easy to operate, and it does blow cool air. It comes with your charging cord and charging plug there for the wall. Turn this down. Alright. Easy to operate, like I said. Power off, and it does blow cool air. I'm quite surprised, actually, how cold it actually is. Anyway, I like it, and definitely would recommend it, especially for a desktop. This is going to stay here in the man cave and kind of keep things cool during the hot summer that's coming up, if it's anything like last year. Alright, I definitely recommend it. It does blow cold air. It's easy to put the water in, and there you go. Nice little cooling fan.